It's a lovely day, isn't it? But it's still a bit chills on the wheels.
It is a bit chills on the wheels. I can't take off my jacket.
Oh, that's really wrapped up. I'm not even gonna go there.
I've never had one of these before.
Whisper Girls is the best thing ever.
They're lovely too. Is it orange chocolate?
Those are just Whisper with caramel inside. Oh, going outside. Shite. Another nice sunset, and I can see the moon. Oh. Hi. Can I interview you? Oh shit. What's it like being a cat during lockdown? Missy? Meeps? Have you anything to say? Do you have something to say? No? Just gonna lie there and be cute? It's the 1st of May and we're playing Rainy Day Yahtzee. Who's winning?
Yeah, and Yaki's winning again.
Loaded dice. He's a cheater.
Oh, there you go.
Great.
Wow.
Okay, 4 of a kind, 4, 5. That's they're hard to get.
I don't have my 6.
No.
No. My 6.
Aldi's finest desperados. Oh, Carl! Toffee is cleaning Nube.
It's been good for once.
Does he do that a lot?
Yeah, he's gonna get it home. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Hi, Buns. Did a very good job, Cersei.
Thank you.
That looks delightful. I'm sorry if there are any vegans watching. But actually, a lot of people are watching who are South Africans. Hi! And they love me. So, this is okay.
4. If I have 2,
The other side.
that's a 13 players. So that explains why there's 2 of these on each side. It's not going to be any more than 11. Let's narrow this now. I need those brackets on there. Hey. Oh, off the post! Off the post! Hey!
Yay! Well done, Dad.
No, well done, Yaki.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
That was the right idea.
We were supposed to fly today on May 3rd, but I'm glad that we ended up staying. Would have been a very fun day to fly. Ow. Never mind, that horrible rainstorm has now passed. It's lovely and sunny. Look at these 2 Egypts. Hi. My dad knows a guy who knows a guy. This is only May... Oh, my Fitbit's fecked. This is only May 6th? Yeah. And he obviously working in the hotel business. We know some people in the hotel business, so... Here is a majestic barrel of Guinness that he's just about to set up outside. Can never underestimate my pops. Getting all suited and booted for the setup.
Everything organised, Pet. There's a process.
I knew you were, when you went off in the car, you were up to no good.
I'm always up to no good, Pet. You know that.
To get the old cobwebs off the Guinness tops.
Yeah.
I just saw Cookie. Hello, Daredevil. What you doing up there? What are you doing? You want some Guinness? If you jump into that Jeep and the door is closed, you'll be in there, I don't know how long. I'll make sure you're a free kitty. Cookie's a free elf, aren't you? Oh, this light is shocking. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Where are you going? Are you hopping down? Where are you going? Ow! Jesus, fair play, you did a really good job there. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Hi, Cookie. Psst. Psst. Hi. Hello. Jeez. Anytime I come home, I always forget something, and this just arrived today from Amazon. A high sensitivity stylus from Mixu. Oh, I can't open it with one hand. 1 second. Yeah, so it was 12 euro, and it comes with fiber tip, aluminum body, clear disc tip. There's lots going on here. I mean, for 12 euro, it looks pretty good. I'll give it a go later and see how I get on. Hang on. Oh my god, this is not made for giant hands like mine. Well, there's the pen anyway, and it's got a really decent weight, just in case you lose your iPad. Stylus. That feels like an eraser. Then we have the lid, of course, and another buffery thing. And yeah, they're the one's fine and one's finer. Yeah, I love Amazon treats. I mean, Mr. Jeff B doesn't need more money, but I need my products ASAP, so I'll just let that slide. Mixu. I'll try that out when I'm finished working. How is it? There they are, in all their glory. A baby for me and a full one for you. But we've said before they look the same in the camera.
Yep.
Anyway, you may take it.
You make kiss a bride?
Yeah, you may kiss the bride.
Sluncha.
Salud.
How is it?
Super good.
Beautiful, beautiful morning to do darkness in July.
That's actually crazy. There are people in one.
Nothing like a good storm, am I right, guys?
Hi.
People wear that jumper.
Mom, don't drive into somebody's house.
Especially at 4 whatever in the morning.
So here we are at the Brook pub, where we're all going to meet and do our walk for darkness into light, or as you would call it, Mom, the Brook. Where is the actual pub? I can't see anything in this weather.
Pub in front of your house.
That looks like a house. I don't see anybody. 4:39 a.m.
They said 4:45, so what's that, 6 minutes?
Ah! Ooh. We're currently under a bunch of umbrellas being blown away. How you doing there, Mom? Oh my god! How are you guys doing? I think we're the only cars in the car park.
No, you see, you didn't know what it was. It's water, Carl. Where you swim when you're a little boy, and you can swim when you're a big boy if you want.
Mom, that's really fucking weird and creepy. When you were a little boy. This walk is going great. If we go to
Never a little boy. He was born. How he currently is.
That's more of a beard.
Yeah.
Because I actually never heard it outside of the context of that before. Sorry, I'm being you recording.
Are you crying or are you laughing?
I can't drink me tea.
Oh, we're gonna have to come back and do this another day. I think we would literally be thrown off the cliffs.
Yeah.
That's good service that Paul is bringing us coffees.
The crow flies, I'm looking at now, but if I had
never
a
eat
compass,
through the
I wouldn't have a clue.
It's the bananas. Ew.
I gave them after our walk.
Yeah, our walk's going really well.
Look at all the people here now. How's it walk? No, they're all sunny. We use for sunrise.
What's for breakfast, Mom? Big dirty fry. Woo! Look at all the cars of all the people.
Oh my gosh.
So nice. Jeez, the place is
All
full.
the cars. Oh my gosh.
Yay. That's great.
And all, like, they all contributed money, which I'm sure they did.
Look at these mad lads. Woo!
Just wait, there's many.